Sushi. Sushi is a Japanese dish of prepared vinegared rice, usually with some sugar and salt, accompanied by a variety of ingredients such as seafood, often raw, and vegetables. Styles of sushi and its presentation vary widely. The styles of sushi here are nigiri, maki, temaki, temari, and shirashi. Onigiri. There are various kinds of onigiris. A lot of various onigiris are available at convenience stores in Japan. Miso shiru. Sashimi. Ramen. Udon. Soba. Yakisoba. Yaki in Japanese cuisine means grill or fry. Yaki udon. Sukiyaki. Takoyaki. Okonomiyaki. Yakitori. Tori no teriyaki or teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki is a cooking technique and style of sauce in Japanese cuisine. The term teriyaki comes from the combination of two Japanese words, teri, which means glaze or shine, and yaki, which means grilled, broiled, or fried. Tamagoyaki, shogayaki, yakiniku, karaage. Age in Japanese cuisine means deep fry. Agedashi tofu. Tonkatsu. Katsudon. Don in Japanese cuisine comes from donburi, which is a big bowl in Japanese. Gyudon. Oyakodon. Shabu-shabu. In Japan, there is a food that clearly divides people's likes and dislikes. It is this one. Natto. Even though natto is well known as a healthy food, it is disliked by some people because of its sliminess and slightly odd smell. Mochi. Daifuku. Red bean paste called anko used to be the only choice as filling of daifuku, but now a variety of fillings are available. Kakigori. The same goes for kakigori. Now there are different varieties of kakigori available. Mitarashi dango. Mitarashi is the place name, and dango is a Japanese traditional treat. It has a small round shape. It is primarily made from glutinous rice flour, which is steamed and then formed into balls. Senbei. Senbei are a type of Japanese rice crackers. They come in various shapes, sizes, and flavors, usually savory, but sometimes sweet. あられ Arare are traditional small rice crackers. あんみつ An is red bean paste, and mitsu is syrup. Anmitsu is a Japanese dessert that consists of a combination of various sweet ingredients served cold. There is a Japanese traditional snack which is unpopular among non-Japanese people. This one. I assume you can tell why it is unpopular even though it is yummy. かりんとう かりんとう is a traditional Japanese crunchy snack made from deep-fried dough and sweetened with brown sugar. Not traditional, but popular among Japanese people. シュークリーム This sweet is cream puff in English and choux à la crème in French. This Japanese name is the combination of these two words. プリン Pudding comes from the English word custard pudding. ショートケーキ There are various theories as to the origin of the word, such as that it is derived from shortening, an ingredient in confectionery. Mr. Donuts. There are lots of interesting and unique donuts at Mr. Donuts, which is commonly called Miss Do. お疲れ様。またねー。